Hello, once again, and welcome to the Tech Explorers channel. In today's episode of this very video recording, we'll be discussing very crucial matter as regards the new Upwork update, all right, which seems like a good news to some and a bad news to others. Now, what do we need to know? Earlier this month of March 2023, Upwork rolled out an update via email stating that from the 3rd of May 2023, just like you can see on my screen, a flat rate of 10% will be charged across board as the new Upwork fees. What does this mean? Now, if you go over to Upwork to apply or to bid for a job, let me quickly show you that on my Upwork space. All right, so here I am on my Upwork space. Very quickly, let's just take a random example. Let's say I scroll down to a job like this and I want to bid for this job. I click on the job, all right? I go through the job description, okay? This is just a sample. I'm not really bidding for any job. And then I click on apply. When I click on apply, it takes me to the proposal settings, all right? This is where I have to bid for the job. Now, apart from the fact that the proposal is for Connect, if you scroll all the way down, you will come to this Upwork Service Fee section. Whatever you bid for this job, all right, Upwork would charge you a certain fee. Let's say I bid $30. Upwork charges $4. It's a fixed price that cannot be changed. All right. Upwork charges $4. And when you look at the amount I'll be receiving, sorry, this is not updated. Give me a moment. All right. So sorry, I had to refresh this page so that it could effect the change. So whenever, let's say I bid $30 for this job, and you could see down here where it reads Upwork Service Fee. Explain this. This is just if you want to learn more about it, you can click on explain this. But the Upwork Service Fee is how much? $6. That it cannot be changed. It's not something you can regulate. It's Upwork that regulates that themselves. All right. So that when Upwork charges $6, it means if you eventually get this job, the client pays you $30, all right, per hour, hopefully, for this job. After the client pays you $30 per hour, for each hour that the client pays you $30, Upwork charges $6 out of that $30. And at the end, you'll be getting $24 left. It continues that way. Even if I decide to charge $100 for this job, it changes to $20. Now, what does this mean? If you want to get the percentage, usually Upwork writes the percentage somewhere around here, but because of this change that has been effected or that will be effected from the 3rd of May, they have taken out this service fee. And I will still go back to the email to elaborate more on that. But to understand how many percentage this is, you need to calculate mathematically. To calculate this, it will be 20%, obviously, between 100 to 20 to get 80. All right, because if you divide $100 into $20 in 5 places, it means that Upwork is taking 1/5 of the money. All right, and that's 20% of the money. So this is exactly how Upwork charges. Now it varies for different jobs. For some job, it will be 10%. For some job, it will be 5%. And this is a function of how much you have earned so far on Upwork. The more you earn, the lesser Upwork charges you for service fee. And when you continue to begin to get some badges like top rated badge, top rated plus, and expert vetted, and so on and so forth. I think expert vetted is the highest badge you can get at Upwork. Once you continue to increase those badges, your service fee on Upwork reduces. And that is why some persons are being charged 5% across board. Some are being charged 10%, while others are being charged 20%, sometimes 25%. All right. Now, this is what Upwork service charge means. Now, let's head over back to the email. Here in the email, it reads that, let's read this very section, The new rate will go into effect on May the 3rd, 2023, and our existing tiered fee structure, rather, will be retired. For those of you currently working on projects at the 5% level of your existing tier structure, we are pleased to honor this rate through the end of 2023. But let's go a little upward to see exactly the beginning of the message. It said we are very excited to announce our newly simplified flat fee structure of 10% for every freelancer. Do you understand that? Now, what this simply means is that there will be no longer any variation in Upwork service fee. While others are earning 20%, some are earning 10%, some are getting 5% service fee charge. Now, from the 3rd of May, Upwork is saying that it will be a flat rate for everybody. For every job you apply to, beginning from the 3rd of May, you will be charged a flat rate of 10% as your Upwork service fee. However, this was why I said to some persons it is good news. To those who are being charged 20% before now, they are now to be charged 10%. Of course, it's a good news. But what about those who are being charged 5%? Are now to be charged 10%. Of course, obviously, it's a bad news to them. All right. Now, Upwork is saying that because we want to be committed to our own end of the bargain, that those who are already on that 5% charge level will continue to be charged 5% until the end of this year, 2023. So if you happen to be one of those who are privileged to be charged 5% as Upwork service fee charge, you will be entitled to that 5% charge until the end of this year. And after the end of December the 31st, 2023, beginning from 1st of January for you, 2024, who are earning 5% Upwork service fee charge, or who are being charged at that amount, 5%, you will then begin to be charged 10%. All right. So you have the end of this year to enjoy that privilege. However, for those of you who are already on the 20% and 10% service fee charge, you will fall flat to the 10% rate. All right. So this is exactly what this very Upwork update that has been rolled out recently implies. So for those of you who are probably on the higher end of being charged 20%, rejoice. It's a good news for you. And I hope this video was helpful to explain exactly what this very update is all about. If you have found this helpful, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not. Click on the notification bell so that you always get recurring videos like this that helps you better your freelance journey. Thank you for joining and see you in another video.